Hello guys, come back. I'm going to show here about help you how you started to add folders, create folders. So that is really satisfied. Something that is about to be satisfied with a new folder on the left phone corner and start to file. Okay, so this is really about drag files and pages in the organization. So about to create this folder actually is really um, something that it should be really grouping and planning with a new project so you can start to save local copy, and this will about create a new folder on it or a new file. You can start to go also with, and I think that is exactly about to go with a plugin that is really create folder, and this is really satisfied with creating folder on it. And that is all about folder structure if you want. And I hope you see guys this kind of video helpful on how you create this folder.